Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Finish Foundation. Yay! What I think I'm going to do first is apply the Dewy foundation, one side with the sponge and the other side with brush. So I just primed my skin with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose 2-in-1 Primer Water. It smells so good. I actually need to get myself another bottle. I think these are $4. Bargain. Okay, the smell, it smells like paint. It goes on a bit liquidy. And now it's time to blend this bad boy in. You know what I just realized? I put the whole thing on and I wanted to test. Oh, screw it. Okay. So here I am testing with the full sponge. Let's see how the coverage is. The coverage is very, very nice. The color is close to my color. It's a little dark, but I'll make it work. I'm gonna go in on this side. As you can tell, this is my splotchy side. This is the one that doesn't have any makeup on. This side has the makeup, the foundation on, but with the sponge. And you can see how it canceled my redness. See all the redness here? It is not here. And this is just with the sponge. It's a beautiful light finish. And like I said, it does still feel a little moist, wet. So you may want to set this side with a little powder, maybe not. All I know is that I am loving this finish. It's amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my latest obsession. I don't know what it is about this brush, but it is so good. It is totally changing my mind about, I will, I think, forever love sponges. Look at this. It's beautiful. But let's see how this Wet n Wild Dewy Foundation does with one of these bad boys. Now, do you notice a big difference between this side and that side? I wouldn't say there's a big overt difference, but there is a difference. What did I notice? Let me see. The amount that I use for the sponge is going to be different for the brush. That I did notice. I noticed I have to put on more with the brush than I do with the sponge, which is odd. I thought it would be the reverse. I feel like the coverage is better when I apply more with a brush. Isn't that weird? Shoot. Is it supposed to be that way or the opposite way? So I'm gonna put, this is gonna be the trick because I'm putting on my contour stick. This is Pixie by Petra. I just want to see because it goes on pretty creamy. So I'm just testing it out here to see if it'll move my foundation. Okay, here's the big test right here. So far so good. It seems to be maintaining as I blend. Okay, so I have done up my full face using this beautiful, beautiful finish, dewy finish for the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. If you haven't gotten your hands on this little baby, I highly recommend that you do. If you love the original, then I think that you will also love this. If you're not into a dewy look, Is it a little dewy? Yes. Is it all out shiny, like your oil's out of control? No, it's that, it looks like that right amount right before it gets oily. Like it looks so pretty, and it's, the finish is gorgeous. The coverage is, you know, on the full side, medium to full. I would say full because I do not see my freckles on my nose. It covered my freckles. So I would say, yes, absolutely. If you've been dying for a dewy finish, but with full coverage, and you like the Wet n Wild original, this is the one. What do you think? Have you gotten a hold of the dewy finish version of the Wet n Wild Photo Focus? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me and taking time out of your day to just go with me on my latest makeup adventure, and I hopefully will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.